So today I'm going to talk about dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis. So up to now you must have seen the videos about the scientific notation, significant figures. Alright. Now today I'm going to talk about the dimensional analysis. So what is that? So dimensional analysis is basically used to interconvert. It is used to interconvert one unit into another. Okay, it is used to interconvert one unit into another. So how it is done? It is done by a method which is known as factor label method, or in NCERT as it is given, unit factor method. So how do we do it? So basically dimensional analysis, it involves calculations which is based on the fact that if two quantities have to be equated, they must have the same dimension or the same units. Alright, now just suppose we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We already know this. Then after that we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then 1 liters is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters, and so on. Fine. So how do we do this? How unit factor method is used? Now just see here. Just suppose if I am taking this, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this can be written like this also. If I move this meter to this side, so it will come in the division, because here 1 meter, 1 into meter, it means that it is in multiplication form. When I change the side, it will come in the division form. So it is now, it can be written as like this also, 100 centimeter by meter. Or I can also write it like this, that 1 is equal to meter by 100 centimeter. It can be written in both ways. Alright. So this equation is called the unit conversion factors. Alright. Now here, since the ratio here are equal to unity, here the ratios are equal to unity. That is why it is known as unit factor. Now, if I multiply any physical quantity by these factor, it actually changes the unit in which the quantity is expressed, but it does not change its value. Now just suppose I am doing this. The question is there that 6 inch, I have to convert 6 inch into centimeters. I have to convert 6 inch into centimeters. So how do we do it? Using dimensional analysis. So first of all, I have to write the unit conversion factor. This is the unit conversion factor now. Unit conversion factor. I have to write it in such a way that the inch gets cancelled out and we get the answer in centimeters. Alright. So this is the unit conversion factor. Now just see. For 6 inch to be interconverted into centimeter, I need a relation between inch and centimeter first of all. So we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so this equation or this relationship is, it can be expressed in two ways, just like we expressed here. Fine. So we can write it like this, that 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter, or we can also write it like this, 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch. It is actually equal to 1 in both the cases. Fine. So इन दोनों में से एक हमें ऐसा कुछ चूज़ करना है. ये एक यूनिट फैक्टर है, ये एक यूनिट फैक्टर है. सो बिटवीन दीज टू वी हैव टू चूज़ दैट यूनिट फैक्टर which has inch in the division form, so that I can easily cancel out the inch and I get the answer in centimeter. So how it is done? See, now 6 inch has to be converted in centimeters, isn't it? So if I write like this, 6 inch into 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch. So out of these two factors, this one and this one, I have selected this where the inch is in division form. Okay, so here inch gets cancelled out, and 6 into 2.54 centimeter is equal to 15.24 centimeters. Alright, so basically what we did, we selected that factor where the inch was in division form such so that I can easily cancel it out. Alright, now just suppose you have to convert 200 pounds into kg. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to how many pounds? It is 2.205 pounds. So for interconversion you need to know this. Alright, so 2.205, it can be written like this in unit factor, in unit conversion factor format. Pounds divided by 1 kg is equal to 1, or it can be also written as like this, 1 kg divided by 2.205 pounds. Okay, so which factor to choose? Here we have one factor, here we have second factor. So which factor to choose? That factor I'll choose where the pound is in division form, so that I can cancel pound and the answer we get is in kg. Okay, because in the numerator we have kg. So here 200 pounds into 1 kg divided by 2.205 pounds. So pound it is getting cancelled, and here we have 200 kg divided by 2.205. When you solve it, you will get this answer 90.7 kgs. So this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now just suppose I have to convert days into seconds. Now if I have 2 days and I have to convert it into seconds. Alright, so first of all I need to know this, that 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? It is 60 seconds. Alright, so basically what we have to do is we have to convert days into second, means days into seconds. So first of all I have to convert day into hours, right? I have to write all these factors together to convert it into seconds. So first of all, how many days are there? We have 2 days. Okay, so this 1 day, how it can be written? इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? हम आवर को ऊपर रखेंगे एंड डेज को नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे. ठीक है, 1 day है, नॉट डेज, इट इज़ 1 day. Alright, then again day will get cancelled, fine, but now we have hours, but we want it into be seconds. So here we have another conversion factor. Here again, for cancelling out the hour, I have to keep the minute in the numerator and hour in the denominator. So hour will get again cancelled. Alright, but now again I have minute over here. So to cancel out minute, I have to use this factor. So again I will keep the second in the numerator and minute in the denominator. So minute gets cancelled. So now I have to just multiply all these, right, seconds. So now after multiplication I will get this answer. So now this 2 days has this much second. Okay, so now I think dimensional analysis is now clear to you. In the next video I will talk about law of chemical combination. Thank you.